This is a national emergency. Please evacuate the entire states of California, Oregon, and Washington immediately. Do not take anything with you, as there is no time. Supplies will be provided by U.S. Armed Forces in eastern states. The U.S. West Coast has been deemed unfit to support human life. Repeating, evacuate the entire U.S. West Coast immediately. Contraflow has been enacted on every road going east and speed limits have been raised to 200 miles per hour to let you escape. Do not delay. Evacuate now, as if you stay, you are as good as lost.